The match is at 8 p.m. The score is 2-1. Mexico plays on June 14th. Can you say these in English?
Numbers, times, and dates. Basic words that you need every day during the World Cup.
Today, simple A1 English for World Cup scores, schedules, and times.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William. This is Sarah.
A 1 level today, perfect for total beginners.
We'll cover scores, kickoff times, days of the week, and dates.
Let's start with reading scores.
How do we say the score? Mexico 2, Argentina 1. Easy.
Or 2-1, say each number with a small pause. 2-1.
Equal score, 1-1. We say 1-1 or 1-all or 1 each.
0-0. We say 0-0 or 0-0. Nil is British for 0.
Big scores, 5-0. 5-0 or 5-0. Americans often say 5-0.
Now kickoff times. The match starts at 8 p.m. We say 8 p.m. or 8 o'clock.
Question. What time does the match start? Answer. 8 p.m. or kickoff is at 8.
Half past, 7:30. We say 7:30 or 7:30.
Quarter. 7:15 is 7:15 or 7:15. 7:45 is 7:45 or 7:45.
Important. AM is morning, PM is afternoon and evening.
Scores. 2-1 or 2-1. 0-0 or 0-0.
Time. 8 p.m. or 8 o'clock. 7:30 or 7:30.
Questions. What's the score? What time is kickoff?
Answers. It's 2-1. Kickoff is at 8 p.m.
These 4 sentences cover most match conversations.
Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
World Cup matches happen many days. The match is on Saturday. Mexico plays on Sunday.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday. The match is today. The next match is tomorrow.
Months. June and July for the World Cup 2026. June equals el sexto mes.
Dates. June 11th, we say June 11th or the 11th of June.
Final is on July 19th. We say July 19th.
Numbers 1 to 31 for dates. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th.
8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th.
20th, 21st, 25th, 31st. Practice these, they're the most useful.
Important phrase. Today is June 3rd. Use today is plus the date.
Tournament stages, useful words. Group stage. Round of 16. Quarterfinals. Semifinals. Final.
Mexico is in the group stage. Argentina is in the quarterfinals.
Big numbers, minutes of the match. In the 30th minute, Brazil scored.
30th equals 30th. 45th equals 45th. 90 equals 90th.
Last useful. How many? How many goals? 2 goals. How many minutes left? 10 minutes.
Days. The match is on Saturday. Tomorrow.
Months. June and July, the World Cup months.
Dates. June 11th. July 19th.
Stages. Group stage, round of 16, quarterfinals, semifinals, final.
Minutes. In the 30th minute, Mexico scored. 5 minutes left.
Repeat slowly.
The score is 2-1. Mexico 2, Argentina 1.
Kickoff is at 8 p.m. 8 o'clock.
The match is on Saturday. Saturday at 8.
June 11th. The World Cup starts on June 11th.
2 goals in 20 minutes.
Quiz. Translate to English.
How do you say a score of 3-2?
3-2 or 3-2. Both correct.
Kickoff is at 8:30 p.m. How do you say it?
8:30 p.m. or 8:30. Both work.
The final is on July 19th. How do you read this date?
July 19th. Perfect.
Numbers, scores, dates, small but very important.
Practice with one World Cup match every day. Read the score in English out loud.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.